जय राधे जय राधे राधे, जय राधे जय श्री राधे। जय कृष्णा कृष्णा, जय कृष्णा जय Shri Krishna. So we were in Giriraj Govardhan, and today I am taking you all to a place which is very beautiful and fragrant. Why? Because this place is famous for flowers. The name itself is Kusum Sarovar, where the Sakhis would come to collect different varieties of flowers. I mean, imagine 5,000 years ago when this place would be full of flowers, all varieties of it, and they would pluck flower for decorating Shri Radha Krishna, for decorating their kunja. And next to this Kusum Sarovar is a temple, a very small temple of Radha Ban Bihari. So this is the place where Shri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the creator, maintainer, destroyer, protector, provider, everything A to Z of this material and spiritual world, he would sit there, and what he would do? He would pleat the hair of Srimati Radharani. So there is a beautiful painting where Radharani is sitting and she is holding a mirror like this, because apparently she has to see herself when she is getting dressed up, but actually her angle is tilted and she wants to look at Krishna. So Krishna is sitting behind Srimati Radharani and he is plaiting her hair, and Srimati Radharani is looking at Krishna through the mirror. So that beautiful pastime happened here next to Kusum Sarovar. Also very close to Kusum Sarovar is the place called Uddhav Kund. So actually when Krishna was in Dwarka, he had sent Uddhav as a messenger for gopis. So he had sent a letter for the gopis and he had asked Uddhav to go and deliver. When Uddhav reaches there with the letter, the gopis were not interested in his letter. They rejected the letter and they were just looking. Their eyes were constantly and continuously searching for Krishna. So when Uddhav saw the highest degree, the epitome of love of the gopis, which was completely unalloyed, he was so attracted to that love of the gopis, which the gopis had for Krishna, that he had a desire. So Uddhav developed a desire to get residence in Vrindavan. And he was granted this desire. Not only he had the desire to stay in Vrindavan, but he wanted to be there in the form of some insignificant form like creepers or the grass, so that when the gopis come there, they walk over him. And that way he would get the dust of the lotus feet of gopis. So that place, Uddhav Kund, where Uddhav is given the residence, that is also very close to this place, Kusum Sarovar. So today we visited Kusum Sarovar, Radha Ban Bihari and Uddhav Kund. Hare Krishna.